Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two websites. One of them is Codility and the second one is LeetCode. We'll go through the pros and cons, some advantages that you can get by using them, and also pricing plans. If you want to know more about these, I will leave the links in the description underneath this video. So let's start with Codility. As you can see and straight away read from the website, Codility is the #1 rated technical recruitment platform for teams to test the coding skills of developers and make evidence-based hiring decisions. Straight away, I would say that they are very similar with LeetCode, but at LeetCode you can also get the test if you are the coder and you are aspiring for a job. But at Codility, you are basically trusting with the hiring the third party. That means Codility. You can see supporting your technical recruitment initiatives, remote hiring, hire at scale, build diverse teams, hiring senior developers, it goes all along. But what they are basically doing, they are taking basically what you need from building your team. They are trying to implement it into recruiting. We can take a product tour, and that's not really actually to talk much about, because Codility is a website where you hire people. They are really efficient. They can basically hire or work in 40+ languages and technologies. You can check for the front-end developer, back-end developer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, data scientist. Basically, they are providing everything you should expect from them. They are making they are trying to make it as fast as possible without your touch. So only we have to check is the pricing, which I don't like the pricing about you have to enter your email or your personal information to get the pricing plan. I'm not really sure if this is a good option or a good way of doing it. Because it's not that transparent. It's hard to compare them, but you see what they are basically providing. For this, I really can also request a demo, but at the end you'll end up giving them your personal information and stuff like that. On the other hand, LeetCode, can work same as Codility, where you can, if you are a company or enterprise, you can basically outsource the hiring to LeetCode. But also, which I find very nice about the LeetCode, is that there is also room for developers. You can check your skill, you can compare your skills at this website. In these tests, they are rating difficulty from easy, medium to hard. There are a list of filters like top 100 live questions, top 100 interview questions. LeetCode can prepare you somewhat to interview itself. It's very nice because you are basically solving the problems and you are learning the codes, or not that like learning, but proving your skills to yourself. Then you can check the tests that are to do. Some of them will be solved and some of them attempted. Also, you can go through the tags and pick only the questions that you are interested in, like combinatorics, rolling hash, and stuff like that. And then you can just pick the one that you are interested in and basically work on it. Also, somewhere you will see this little golden lock, which means it's only for premium users. For premium users, you'll pay $35 a month or $159. There's some sale going on from almost $300, which it makes like $13 a month, which is pretty big sale. You get the video solutions, which is a new thing, access to premium content, select questions about my company. So if you're aspiring for, I don't know, Amazon hiring program, you will get the filter to Amazon needs. Autocomplete if you're lazy, debugger, lightning judge, and so on and so on. I really see like LeetCode is doing more and doing it better for its customers, even though if you are paying for it or just enjoying it free. And yeah, I see LeetCode being a better option for you if you are not a part of a big enterprise, but if you are a coder and you are trying to get the job. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please leave them in our comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video, and thanks for watching. See you on the other one.